guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So welcome to Myntra Haul Part 2, and in my previous Myntra Haul, which I linked somewhere here, I told you that I got a lot of things from Myntra in their EORS sale, but it was kinda not possible to show all of it in one single video since that would have dragged on for so long. So I decided to cut it into two parts. So the first part, which is already up on the channel, in that I showed a lot of top wear, t-shirts and some jeans. And if you want to know where I got this t-shirt from that I'm wearing right here, then please check out the first part. And in this video we're going to talk about some ethnic wear that I bought for myself and mostly for my mother actually. Now I don't wear a lot of ethnic wear or Indian wear in general, so you don't see a lot of those hauls in this channel. इसीलिए मैंने ये पार्ट इंक्लूड किया है so that if you prefer wearing Indian wear more or if you have to get some things for yourself, तो मे बी आपको इनमें से कुछ पसंद आ जाए and you can get them. I'll obviously tell you about the quality and everything. So yeah, that's what this video is gonna be all about. I hope you'll enjoy it and without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. So now before getting into the ethnic wear, I want to show a couple of top wear that I couldn't show in the first video since they got delivered late to my house. So first one is this top from H&M, and I really like how minimal this looks. I mean, this is like a plain white top, then there is some like text written here. यहाँ पे Weekend Dreamer लिखा हुआ है, and this feels very flowy and very soft on the skin. ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. And I think this one was $7.99 का, but I got it for $3.99 if I'm not wrong. Now this is very good, but मुझे थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है कि this can be a little sheer. And you'll obviously have to wear nude lingerie inside this. And the next top wear, which is actually one of the best purchases of this entire shopping haul, like the first and second included, is this top. Now in my previous video I told you that, and it is something like similar to this one, so if you want to know an alternative for this top, make sure you come back to my next video, because that one was from Shein. I'll insert a picture here. Obviously I won't recommend you to shop from Shein anymore. So uska alternative is this top that I got from Only. Now obviously I know this is of a different color, but this is of the same pattern. इसमें भी इसका जो bodice and ये square neckline वाला detailing and the puff sleeves, it's so that like the structure of this is similar to that same structure के हैं. It's just कि वो pastel DIY type का, and this is of the green color. तो मुझे इसका fabric, इसका color, इसका print भी कितना different है. So overall I really like this top. This is of the rayon material, and this was a little expensive. I think I got this for 900 something or 899 something along those lines. Now we move on to the ethnic wear part, because वही हमारा clothing section बचा है इस video का. So now first one, again I got another clothing piece and I really like it. This is not a kurti. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a tunic. I'll put on a try on here and you can see this is like a tunic. It's of your mid thigh length, और ये ऐसे जिसको इंडो वेस्टर्न कपड़े पसंद है, फिर if you have to wear kurtis or something to your colleges, तो आप इसको definitely try कर सकते हो. इसमें पीछे से there are these two कहाँ चले गए पीछे से there are these two ribbons kind of, जिससे आप इसको पीछे से बांध सकते हो and you can give a proper good shape to your body. So that's a good thing about it. इसका print भी actually काफी अच्छा है. And again I'm saying, if you like Indo-Western, if you like wearing kurti और jeans, तो उस टाइप के आउटफिट के लिए ये बहुत सही है, क्योंकि कुर्ती और जीन्स का मतलब ये जीन्स के साथ पेयर करने में काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. So this is the first purchase. Next there are a couple of palazzos है. This me or my mom, anyone can wear. Like हम इनको कुर्ती के नीचे पहन सकते हैं. We can wear these with like मतलब मैं टॉप वगैरह के साथ इनको पेयर कर सकती हूँ. So this was in a set of 2, उनका क्वालिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. I really liked it. काफ़ी soft है, and then they flare out obviously like a palazzo. Now I've done an entire video on styling palazzo pants in 20 ways. So if you wear a lot of like these palazzo pants या फिर summers के लिए, तो flat pants, palazzo pants काफ़ी अच्छा option होती हैं. You can definitely check out that video. उसमें आपको बहुत सारे cute outfit options मिल जाएंगे. Next I've got 4 more pieces for you. There are 2 suit sets and 2 kurtis. These are all for my mother. So first one is this पिंक कलर का कुर्ता सेट. सॉरी, I'll insert a picture here. This is very pretty. I really like the color combination. मतलब ये such a nice summery colors. और आप इनको पहनोगे ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. You can even wear like a good थोड़ा सा heavy white दुपट्टा on top of it if you want to dress them up. और इसमें अच्छा सा कुछ statement necklace डालो. But there's a little problem. इसका जो पजामा है, this is a little see through. Little के काफी see through है. तो I don't know how is my mother going to style them. It's a little tricky. इसके अंदर you'll have to wear nude lingerie. I think that's the only way out of it. But yeah, this is a little tricky. But overall ये बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful लगता है set. And it looks so classy. So I really like it. इसमें आगे से ये white color का काफी अच्छा सा ऐसा block print टाइप का डिजाइन है एंड पीछे से भी हल्का सा डिजाइन है. तो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. नाउ इसके नीचे से देयर इज मोर डिजाइन हियर. बाकी आई इंसर्ट अ पिक्चर फॉर यू टू सी क्लियरली. एंड नेक्स्ट इज दिस अनदर सूट सेट. और ये तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. नाउ आई रियली लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिंटेड चीज़ें, फिर प्रिंट्स ऑन प्रिंट्स, बट दिस वन लुक्स सो गुड. तो ये उसका कुर्ता है. इट्स अ मरून कलर. इट हैज़ अ पलाजो एंड अ कुर्ता विद इट. एंड कुर्ता में देर आर दीज लाइक फ्लोरल प्रिंट ऑल ओवर इट. और इसकी नेक लाइन में और स्लीव के एंड में देर इज दिस गोल्डन ट्रिमिंग. देर इज अनदर प्रिंट ऑन द पलाजो जो कि रियली कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स द प्रिंट ऑन द फैब्रिक एंड टुगेदर दीज लुक वेरी. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दीज वी आर लेफ्ट विद टू मोर कुर्ताज. ये मतलब प्लेन कुर्ती हैं. दीज डज नॉट कम विद एनी बॉटम वेयर. So the first one is in this really nice green color. और इसका कलर बहुत अच्छा है. And I think in the starting of this video I was talking about green color और अब हर चीज़ मुझे green color में ही दिख रही है. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is from the brand I don't know. मेरी मॉम ने काट दिया कि यहाँ पे चुपता है. But I'll try to find the brand. So this one has this very nice again block print kind of all over it. और इसकी neckline में there is this satin का रिबन है कुछ एक्स्ट्रा डिटेलिंग ऐड करने के लिए. एंड इसका कलर, इसका फैब्रिक क्वालिटी इज वेरी गुड. माई मॉम वॉज रियली हैप्पी विद इट. इसलिए आई स्पेसिफिकली रिमेंबर उनको ये फैब्रिक बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. इट्स अ लिटिल थिक सो इट्स नॉट सी थ्रू एंड इट फील्स वेरी गुड. मतलब इट फील्स लाइक इट्स एन एक्सपेंसिव क्लोथिंग पीस. सो दिस इज अ नेक्स्ट परचेज. नाउ इसका कलर इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट इट. एंड यू कैन वेयर दिस विद मे बी दिस. Like you can wear this with this and a gold heavy dupatta again. और काफ़ी अच्छा लुक आएगा I think. And you can wear this again for some festivals or anything. क्योंकि this can very easily be dressed up and dressed down. अगर आप चाहो तो इसको ऐसे क्रीम कलर के पैंट्स के साथ भी पहन लो, बेज कलर के पैंट्स के साथ, और विद पलाजो लाइक दिस. सो या दिस इज आवर नेक्स्ट परचेज. ये भी अगेन 3/4 स्लीव है. इट्स थोड़ा सा ऐसे लंबी लेंथ का कुर्ता. एंड नाउ वी कम टू द लास्ट कुर्ता. ये वाला मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा बिकॉज इट लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. काफ़ी इसका रेड कलर है एंड इट हैज़ दिस बीड. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दिस वर्क इज कॉल्ड. मतलब इट्स गॉट दिस छोटे छोटे फ्लावर ऑल ओवर इट एंड अगेन लेसिंग ऑन द नेक. और नेक लाइन में इसमें से ये बटन्स वाला डिटेलिंग है विच लुक्स वेरी गुड. नाउ इसका कलर फील्स वेरी रॉयल, वेरी लग्जूरियस सा. एंड दिस कैन ईजिली बी ड्रेस्ड अप. इसको आप किसी गोल्डन दुपट्टा अगेन, सिंस बोथ ऑफ दीज हैव दिस गोल्डन उससे प्रिंट, इसलिए आई एम सेइंग कि यू शुड वेयर गोल्डन दुपट्टा विद दिस क्योंकि वो इसको बहुत अच्छे से कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेगा. एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग फेस्टिवल के लिए या फिर समथिंग थोड़ा सा यू नो आई डोंट नो ज़्यादा एथनिक, like red color में Indian wear really looks good. Now I just remembered that I ordered another kurta set and that was actually for me. I'll insert a picture here. वो yellow color में था. It looks so pretty and I wanted to try it for the first time. I wanted to get it for myself and when it got delivered to my house I was so disappointed with the quality. It felt so thin. ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसको बस थोड़ा सा खींचोगे और वो फट जाएगा. वो इतना thin था. And both the bottom and the kurta they were sheer, like they were so sheer and the quality was not good at all. तो वो मैंने return कर दिया. But that was again a very good, like दिखने में very good thing but उसकी quality did not turn out good. Next I've got this one jewelry piece for you. I got this necklace and this one is from H&M. Now I don't wear silver jewelry a lot. I mostly go for gold jewelry but I thought why don't I try silver this time. So I got this one from H&M. This was for I think $3.99. H&M का jewelry is a little expensive. That's why I used to prefer Shein for jewelry. Because Shein में you get some good jewelry pieces. मतलब उसका clothing वगैरह का सीन तो काफी dicey रहता था, but उसकी jewelry बहुत अच्छी होती है. So I'm gonna miss Shein just for the jewelry. Well, but it's alright. We don't want Shein anymore. हम और alternatives ढूंढेंगे. So yeah, coming back to the necklace, I got this from H&M as I said, and ये काफी अच्छा सा है. It is very dainty. इसका like this chain is very thin, तो ये काफी अच्छा लगता है. Feels very dainty and I think it looks good too. Tell me what do you think about it? आपको ये कैसा लग रहा है? Now we've almost come to the end of this video and we've left with 3 makeup products. I didn't get a lot of makeup related things because मैंने recently जून में काफी सारे सामान मंगाए थे from Nykaa and I did a haul on that, so I'll link it somewhere here if you're interested in watching. उसमें I got a lot of very good skincare too actually, so I would recommend you to watch it. But this time I got 2 makeup palettes and a lipstick. I've been looking at these Wet n Wild का eyeshadow palette for a long time and especially this Rose in the Air one. ये वाली की मैंने बहुत तारीफ सुनी है एंड इट्स गॉट सम प्रिटी कलर्स आल्सो एक्चुअली. इसमें ये पूरी वार्म टोन की है एंड देयर आर सम न्यूड्स एंड ब्राउन्स एंड स्पेशली दिस पिंक कलर, मुझे ये वाला बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. दिस वन हैज़ गॉट 2 ट्रांजिशन शेड्स एंड देन 8 नॉर्मल आपका आईलेट वाले शेड्स. And I got the same one in like the same thingy in different variant. This one is Stop Playing Safe and this is like a colorful palette. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. I like colorful eyeshadows and stuff. मुझे अच्छा लगता है उनके साथ experiment करना sometimes. So I got this one also. इसमें मुझे yellow shade काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. I want to try this yellow shade. And now we've come to the last product of this video, which is a lipstick, and this one is from Maybelline. It's from their powder matte by Color Sensational range and this one is in the shade Toasted Brown. So this is what the shade looks like. It looks very pretty. काफी अच्छा सा brown color है. So this was the entire sale. Now I'm finally done with all the Myntra products. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then click on this red button and make sure that you subscribe. Also click on the bell sign right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. This is my Instagram handle right here. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram. And if you like this video, then give it a big fat thumbs up. Please tell me in the comments which was your favorite product from this video. And if you want the links for anything, it will all be there in the description bar. And also tell me if you shopped from Myntra. आपने उसकी सेल शॉपिंग करी या कुछ खरीदा और how was your experience? मुझे सब कुछ comment section में बताओ. And yeah, that's it. Now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling.